Split the whole chicken lengthwise. Place the chicken in the pan of water. Add onion. Celery cut into pieces. Salt. Black peppercorns. Herbes de Provence. Parsley. Boil for 15 minutes. Place the chicken in the pan. Season the melted butter with salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, finely chopped parsley. Pour the butter over the chicken. Season the potatoes with salt, black pepper, herbes de Provence, hot pepper flakes, vegetable oil. Add sliced onion. Place the potatoes in the baking tray. Bake for. Split the whole chicken lengthwise.